Now I'm going to teach you how to make one Rice Krispie treat. Marshmallow will puff up, just like that. And you want to take your spoon, and we'll just stir all this together, like that. And it's kind of, make sure. Come on. You can do it. Oh boy. Come on. Now you want to take your cup of Rice Krispie treats. Oh God. You want to mix? Sorry. I can't be perfect all the time. Make sure you wash your hands. And you want to mix this. Oh my God. And then you want to pour it in your greased. Oh my. Ooh. In your greased sheet here. Sorry. And then you want to just let this sit and harden up a while. Then you'll take it out and you'll have one Rice Krispie treat. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and voila! Enjoy! Bye! Oh God, that was a mess. Blooper reel. That didn't work.